Hey guys, so you have your basic alert view on the screen, and now you want to add a little bit to it. It seems a little bit bland, so I'm going to show you some of the ins and outs of what you can do with the alert view quickly. So now we're going to jump back into the alert.m class that we set up in association to our view controller there, and we're going to go down to the show alert action that we've established. And what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you a little bit about the other button titles. So right now we just have a cancel button where they can click OK and the alert disappears. The other button titles is where we can add different aspects that you may want to. So in this case we're just going to put maybe a help button and go ahead and put a comma, space nil, and we're going to run that so you can see what that does. So as you can see, we've got a secondary button here that is help that we put in there. Now we're going to go ahead and add one other button. So in this would be maybe call me comma. Go ahead and run that so you can see what that looks like. And you'll see now it's stacked the buttons because we have a total of 3 buttons total. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take those 2 buttons out. So go ahead and delete it, and we'll just leave it with nil for now. And I want to show you something that is new to iOS 5. And this is basically a style that we can set within the alert view. So right above the alert show, we're going to put alert set alert view style, and this is where we can specify. I think there's like 4 or 5 different UIAlertView styles, and so you can see we've got the UIAlertView style default. We've got one with a login and password, a plain text input, a secure text input, which that may be like a password or something. So we're just going to choose the login and password input and run that so you guys can see the defaults that are brand new to iOS 5. So go ahead and run that. And so now as you display the alert, now we have a login and password text field that we can insert some credentials in there. And then we're going to do one other one. We're just going to switch this style to, let's see, let's just go with a plain text field input and run that, which now it's just going to show a text field with our OK cancel button there. So that's kind of some of the added features that you can do within the alert view, and kind of simplifies some of the gathering of the information from your user in your application. So click like, subscribe, check out the next video, and we'll continue with the tutorials.